So I'll be showing you how to enable dual SIM always on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Go to settings and then connections and then SIM manager and then scroll down and tap on more SIM settings and then you should see dual SIM always on. Tap on that and then as long as you have another number here added, you can now tap on next and keep dual SIM always on. So let me go ahead and add another number. So tap on next and then you should see forward calls to any available SIM. So basically when you have dual SIM always on, it means one of the SIM cards does not go offline completely. So when you're using one SIM card, the other one is unavailable, and so it's going to forward calls to the other available SIM card. Okay, so you'll never miss a call even if you're using one SIM card and someone calls you on the alternative SIM card. You'll never miss a call if you have this. Now you can choose to always forward calls to either of the other SIM cards using either of these two options. Okay, so for me, I'm just gonna select forward to any available SIM and then tap on done, and that means in your dual SIM setup, your both SIM cards will always be available or will always be on. So the one that's unavailable, when someone calls it, it's going to forward to the one that's available. Okay, and so that means you also need to have call waiting enabled so that you can see someone is calling you from the other SIM card. So that is basically how to enable dual SIM always on your Galaxy S25. Of course, your carrier has to be able to support this option. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.